Good afternoon. It's already afternoon, and we're going to Lowe's. Yeah.
Washing machine shopping.
Tyler in his flannel or huge, and no makeup today. Rocking these eye bags. You like them?
Very sexy.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Lowe's and see if we can find a decent washing machine. It is a very gloomy day.
It's warm out.
Yeah, but it's warm, so that's good. But we can't really do a lot of stuff with much. So here we are at Lowe's. Hi, Daddy. Are you excited?
Sure.
Ooh, let's see here.
Nope. We're not getting a front load.
I'm not getting a front load.
Nope. No. More oxide. Nope. That's what we had now.
No, we're not doing hot points.
Not doing that.
So I think we just need a washer. We don't need to replace our dryer.
No,
right?
our washer's good. Yeah, this is the one.
So this is the one that we're looking at.
Ooh, look at this one.
No, but that's only like 4.0. This one is 4.3.
The one we have is like 3.6.
Really? I know, but might as well get this one. But that one is only $399. But the original price on this was $649. This one is a Whirlpool.
Okay.
And okay, so let's see. Pretty big. Yeah, I don't like the one with the.
This is what I don't like. You gotta buy special detergent for the high efficiency ones.
Okay, you have to buy a special detergent, but you're saving money on energy.
I guess.
Duh. So okay, so this one is good too. It's only $399 and it used to be $549. I think this is the one that you were looking at online.
Oh, yeah.
The $379. Okay. But I don't like it because it's got this thing and it's small. Okay, what you got there? I've never heard of Bravos.
It's a Maytag.
Oh, okay.
But what's nice is this.
The 10-year warranty. The other ones didn't have any warranty.
I'm sure they do.
This is huge. What is this? Oh, it's 4.3. So it's the same as the other one.
What was that one?
4.3.
No, what's that?
Oh, the other one is 4.0. How about this one? Look at that. Look how huge. This is the one that I was looking at. But I don't hand wash. This is for hand washing stuff. Or for treating it.
Yeah.
Or this is... Okay, I remember this one. That's the dryer that has the mist thingy.
Okay.
That, like, yeah, steam sanitize your stuff. Hey, look, it's me. We forgot to mention that the reason we're buying it... Oh, no, we did tell them that it took yeah, it broke last night. I was able to do 2 loads of laundry and then it took a dump.
You want to go with this one?
Yeah, see if they have it.
They do.
Of course, we cannot go to Lowe's without stopping by the wood section. Wood section.
Unbelievable.
They're going to put it here. Tinanggal na nila yung luma and then dinala na sa basement. And then yeah. So we got the Whirlpool one. Here we go, let's see. Okay, we'll see if it actually works.
Stink cat. Oh man.
The cat just dropped something.
She's on penicillin or
Drop the deuce.
She's on medication. Register it. Warranty.
Okay, let's see if it works. Thank you, Dad.
Hang on, I gotta show you.
Oh, look at that. Handsome man right there. Now we know where he got his handsomeness from.
Well, Logan did mistake me for him.
True that.
Got you. Oh.
Okay, so testing. Inilagay ko lang yung mga beddings. And then I'm just gonna use this. It came with the washing machine as a sample. Okay, hang on. No, I don't want it. I just want warm.
Okay.
Or maybe cold, because it's just bed sheets.
Do warm first.
Okay,
I just want to see, and then you can switch it. I just want to
Soil
see.
level, extra light, and then just normal.
Okay.
And then one rinse, and this. Start. Oh, there it is.
So now. Move your car up there, Logan. Yep, there you go. Okay.
So, after namin nagpunta ng Lowe's kanina, dumang kami ng Walmart kasi meron akong kailangan bilhin. I need to buy some feminine stuff. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon dahil mamamatay na yung camera ko kanina. So, hindi ko na siya dinala sa loob. Pero, okay, I'll do a haul real quick. So, dati sinabi ko kay Tyler, I wanna buy one of these things. Yung pang fishing ng mga bata. For the cat. Kasi, mahilig siyang mag-fetch or maglaro ng mga itatapon mo. But anyway, so, I saw this and it was only for $1. Yun lang Olaf na design. Then, while we were at the sporting goods section, binilang ko din si Tyler ng gloves for hunting. Hi, Daddy. Dahil nasira na yung gloves niya. And then, yung original na pinunta ko sa Walmart is to buy some of these kasi, you know, time of the month. Anyway, ito talaga yung binibili kong brand. And today, meron siyang kasamang coupon. Tapos, ano siya, yung, if you buy this, you get a free Rimmel Stay, Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. And I got the shade Warm Beige. Medyo, ano siya, medyo dark siya sa akin. But it's okay because I plan on using this for the summer because I'm gonna get dark. And then I got these, and bumili na rin ako ng Real Techniques beauty sponge kasi yung huling sponge ko na meron ako sinira ni Logan na tuwa yata siya, so that, and I don't have a beauty blender because I am not paying $20 for a sponge. And also, we stopped by the gas station to get some frozen chocolate. Yup. It's really good. Okay, later.
My huge double chin.
Yeah. So we're gonna end the vlog right now. How was today, Daddy?
Good.
How was today, little kitty cat? Oh, so sleepy. Yep, we're gonna see you again tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.